In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a parallel channel in TradingView. A parallel channel is a clear, visual guide for understanding where price has been respecting support and resistance within a trend. It helps you spot potential reversals, continuation zones, and areas to manage risk more thoughtfully. Let's walk through it from a clean slate so you can follow along easily. First, open your browser and head over to TradingView. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top navigation and hover over or click on Products. From that menu, choose Supercharts. This opens the full-featured chart workspace where you'll find all the drawing tools we need. On the left side of the chart, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Find the Trend Line Tools button. Its icon looks like a diagonal line. Click it to reveal more options, then select Parallel Channel. With the tool active, move your cursor onto the chart area. Click and drag along the price action to define the base of your channel in the direction of the trend you're studying. When you release the mouse, move your cursor to set the channel's width so that the upper and lower boundaries are parallel, then click again to finalize it. Aim to capture the most meaningful swing highs and lows so the channel reflects the real behavior of price. If the chart looks too crowded or compressed, zoom in or switch to a time frame that better shows the swing structure you're using. The clearer the pivots, the cleaner your channel will be. You can refine the placement after drawing. Hover over the channel to reveal its anchor points and gently drag them to align with key touches on both the top and bottom boundaries. Small adjustments go a long way. Focus on aligning the lines with multiple reactions rather than forcing a perfect fit to a single candle. Once your channel is placed, take a moment to observe how price interacts with it. Does the upper boundary capture repeated rejections? Does the lower boundary hold as support? This context helps you use the channel for planning, whether you're looking for potential bounces within the range or a breakout beyond it. If the tool doesn't appear when you click, make sure you selected Parallel Channel from the Trend Line Tools menu and not a simple trend line. And that's it. You've drawn a parallel channel in TradingView. Practice on different charts and time frames to build your eye for clean swing structure, and you'll find this tool becomes a fast, reliable part of your analysis.